Hey, hi friend, this is Tapos and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn how we can use ChatGPT as a social media marketing expert. Okay, so before that we will learn why we need social media marketing and who need it. Suppose you are a business owner, suppose you are a entrepreneur, or you are a founder, you are a co-founder, you sell some product, you need customer, you want to sell some product, you want to promote your brand, you want to get more customers, more leads. So for this purpose you need a marketing expert who will help you to get the leads, to get some sales and all these things. So if you want to hire some professional, like it may be a freelancer or a full-time worker, if you want to hire, so they will charge you a lot of money. Of course they will, because they are professional on this, so they will charge a lot of money. So what will happen is, so you can take the inspiration, you can learn at least basic or intermediate level learning you can get with the help of ChatGPT or any other large language model. So it will tell you that how the social media marketing works, and how you can do the basic task and all those things. So the basic and intermediate level idea you will get, even the advanced level idea also you will get from ChatGPT or any other large language model. So initially you can start with that, and later whenever you will feel that now because of time you are not being able to manage those tasks, so in that case you can hire someone professional, but initially you can start with by yourself only. Okay, so social media, the task is, suppose they will promote your brand, they will generate some leads for you, they will sell some products for you, they will nurture your audience and all those things they will nurture. So this is the main work of a social media marketing expert. Okay, so now I will instead of hiring a professional, instead of hiring a freelancer or a full-time worker, what I will do is I will go to ChatGPT and I will tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, I am giving a role of you think that you are a social media marketing expert, and accordingly you will help me. Okay, so I will explain about myself, what is my problem, what is my expectation, what I want to get from ChatGPT or any other large language model. So ChatGPT will provide me a professional level solution. Okay, so let's see. So here I have some example. The example number one is, I will tell ChatGPT, this is called persona pattern. In this video I will use persona pattern. So what is persona pattern? Persona pattern means I will provide a role to ChatGPT to play. So ChatGPT will follow that role only. So ChatGPT will play that role only. Okay, so that is called persona pattern. So here the example number one is, example is, act as a social media marketing expert. I am telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, act as a social media marketing expert. And now I am telling about myself. I am a 26-year-old, a small business owner with a local coffee shop. So now you can modify your problem, your state. Okay, so in your case it might be, you can say, I am a 40 years old and I have just started a cake shop, just open a cake shop, like that kind of. You need to provide your content. So here a random example I have taken. So I am 26-year-old small business owner with a local coffee shop. I want to increase, now I am telling about my expectation. What I want to increase my Instagram following by 5,000 over the next 3 months to drive more in store visit. Okay, I have limited experience with the Instagram. Create a monthly social media strategy to help me reach my goal with the first week's plan broken down day by day. So I think you have got the idea. So now I have given a role to ChatGPT. I have told about myself, who I am and what I do. Then I told about my expectation of what I want from ChatGPT or any other large language model and how I want it. So everything I have explained. Now ChatGPT will provide me a response. It will be a professional response. Suppose you are going to a so let me refresh it. If you don't know, this is the interface of ChatGPT. So you can go there and you can paste you can write your prompt. Okay, so now I'm telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, act as a social media marketing expert. I am a 26 years old small business owner with a local coffee shop. In your case, again, it might be different. It might be a cake shop. It might be a gift shop. It might be any kind of a jewelry shop. Anything you can. Your age might be different. It might be a small business. It might be a medium type business. It might be a local business. That kind of. So I want to increase my Instagram following. Again, you can say I want to get more YouTube subscriber. I want to get more page viewer or website view visitor, like that kind of, based on your requirement. I want to increase my Instagram following by 5,000 over the next 3 months to drive more in store visit. I have limited experience with Instagram, so I have limited experience, or I don't know anything about Instagram. Create a monthly social media strategy to help me reach my goal with the first week's plan broken down day by day. So it will tell me the first week plan, and then day wise you give me. So now let's press enter and see how ChatGPT provide that solution as a marketing expert, as a social media marketing expert. How ChatGPT provide us the answer. So monthly Instagram strategy for a coffee shop. Objectives: increase Instagram following by 5,000 in this is my objective I mentioned there. Increase Instagram following by 5,000 in 3 months and drive in store visit. Okay, monthly plan overview. Okay, so the first monthly plan. Okay, day wise it has given. Acha, here it is. Content themes. Content themes: behind the scene, coffee brewing, shop vibe. Okay, customer stories and testimonials, menu highlights. Okay, promotion and contest. Okay, community engagement. Okay, posting frequency: 4 to 5 posts per week, 3 to 5 stories daily, reels 2 to 3 times per week. Engagement: these are the things I need to do. Engagement activities: polls, Q&A and all those things. Engagement strategy: respond to all comments and DMs with 24 hours, like and comment on post of local business and coffee enthusiastic. Okay, now ad budget. Okay, allocate a small ad budget for targeted ads in your area to promote your account. Okay, the first week plan, day by day breakdown. The first week plan is: day one, what I have to do. Day one, Monday, what I have to do: post a reel showing barista making your signature drink with a trending audio, including hashtag like coffee lovers and this kind of thing. Okay, story, what I have to do: this kind of share a post. What is your go-to of your coffee order? Okay, then engagement, like a comment on our 10 posts targeted with this. So day 2, what I have to do: Tuesday we have to do this: post, story and engagement. What kind of post I should write, what kind of stories I should write, what kind of engagement I should do. So all the detailed information it has given. Suppose you are consulting with a professional social media marketer, he or she will do the same kind of thing, so that ChatGPT is providing, and it may be more advanced level. Okay, so day 3, Wednesday, what you have to do: post, what kind of post you should do, story, engagement, all these things. Day 4, Thursday, what you have to do: this is the this kind of post we need to story, engagement and all these things. Day 5, Friday, this kind of post, story and engagement. Day 6, day 7, all the detailed information it has given. Tips for success: use hashtag wisely, include a mix of popular and niche hashtag like coffee lovers, local cafe and your city name coffee. Okay, engage daily, track performance and all these things. And now it is asking, would you like to adjust this plan further or add any specific elements? Okay, so if you are not happy with this, you can say I need to modify this kind of thing, so give me that kind of suggestion also. And now it has given me it has given a weekly plan. Now I can ask ChatGPT, hey, give me the second week plan, what I will do. So it will give you the same kind of professional response. Again, suppose if you can't understand any point, like story, suppose day 1 story is this, Now day one story is this. So suppose you could not understand that about this point, story, share a poll and all these things. So what you need to do is, I will just go to here and I will say please explain day one at this point story. This I will copy it, paste it, or I will write day one point number two, please explain. So it will again modify and detailed information it will give you. Just a minute. The detailed information it will give you. Okay, so now I think you have got the idea how you can use ChatGPT as a social media marketing expert. Now let us take a one more example and then I will explain the another one. Okay, wellness I have explained, social media branding specialist. Okay, let me take this example number 3, and let me go to here. So here it is. So now here I am telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, act as a social media branding specialist. Now suppose I want to improve my brand quality, or I want to promote my brand. I have just opened my new brand. I want to promote it. The brand awareness campaign I want to start. So now I don't know how to start it. So now I will tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, act as a social media branding specialist. So now I am giving a role, that you are a branding specialist. Now I am telling about myself. I am a 28 years old real estate agent wanting to boost my personal brand and reach local buyers through Facebook and Instagram ads. My goal is to gain 1000 engaged followers and increase leads by 15% within 3 months. Develop a content and engagement plan with weekly goals, starting with a detailed plan for the first week. So now I think you have got the idea what is my expectation and what I have told. So the first thing is, I have given a role to ChatGPT. That is a persona pattern. Now that is persona pattern. So I have given a role to ChatGPT, and then I have told about myself that I am this. I have told about myself, I am this, I am this. And now what is my expectation, what I want from ChatGPT, that is what I told. So act as a social media branding specialist. I am a 28 years old. Again, you can modify it. This is a random example. You can modify based on your requirement, based on your problem and your solution, your pain. Okay, so I am a 8 year old real estate agent wanting to boost my personal brand and reach local buyers through Facebook and Instagram. My goal is to gain 1000 engaged followers and increase leads by 15% within 3 months. Develop a content and engagement plan with weekly goals. So weekly goals, again in your case you can say monthly goals, you can say daily goals, starting with a detailed plan for the first week. So the first week plan I want. So now let's press enter and see how ChatGPT provide the how ChatGPT help me as a social media branding specialist. Let's wait for a few minutes. See, 3 month social media branding plan for a real estate agent. Okay, objective is gain 1000 engaged followers and increase leads by 15% through Facebook and Instagram. Okay, the content themes: educational tips for buying, selling, and investing in real estate. Showcase, highlight local properties and neighborhoods. Okay, personal branding, share your story, milestone and client success stories. Okay, community engagement, feature local businesses, events and hotspot. Okay, then interactive content, polls, Q&A, and all these giveaways and all those things. Now posting frequency, 4 to 5 times I need to post per week, 3 to 5 times daily stories, one live video per week, daily engagement with your audience and local community. Now it is giving me first week plan. Okay, it's giving me the first week plan day by day breakdown. Okay, so day one, what I have to do, what kind of post I need to do, carousel ad or carousel post I need to do, 5 tips for first time home buyers with actionable advice, use a call to action like save this post and DM me for more personalized tips. Then story, share a poll, are you looking to buy or rent in? Okay, then the engagement. So these are the things I need to do: post, story and engagement. Okay, day one. Day two also I will do the same thing, but the post will be different type, story will be the different type, and the engagement type will be might be the different. Then day three, what I have to do, again post, story and engagement, but different kind of things I need to test. Okay, then day 4 also the same thing, but the different kind of post, different kind of stories, different kind of engagement I need to use. Day 5, day 6, like day 7 likewise it will continue. So if you tell ChatGPT, hey, give me the next week plan, it will give you the next week plan. Now if you tell ChatGPT, give me the 1 month plan, it will give you the 1 month plan. Okay, now I think it is pretty clear to you then how you can use ChatGPT or any other large language model for your working purpose. Suppose as a social media marketing expert, suppose you want to sell some product, you want to get some customer, you want to promote your brand. So for that purpose, you want to take the help of social media marketing. You want to take the help of social media, but you don't know some, you suppose you have some basic ideas, or you don't know anything about social media, and now you want to get some ideas. So without, suppose you want to consult with a professional, so they will charge you a lot of money. Okay, they will charge you a lot of money. So before going to them, what you can do is you can play with these tools like ChatGPT or any other large language model. They will provide you a basic, even the intermediate level, even the advanced level understanding they will provide. So just you need to know how to write an effective prompt, how to speak with that large language model, because it follows some pattern, it follows some algorithm. So until and unless you give them the right prompt, or the better prompt, it will not produce the better answer. So if you want to master ChatGPT prompt engineering, you can enroll the course ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery course. Besides, if you want to get the 10,000 plus advanced and premium ChatGPT prompts, that is also there, so you can enroll it. So the advanced level prompt you will be, advanced and premium level prompt you will get from there. So I think you have got the idea how you can use ChatGPT as a social media marketing expert. Now copy this template, paste it, and edit based on your requirement, and I'm sure you will get the best output out of it. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.